see the item has been passed through. So that is back to being something. And it should be breaking. Are we doing this again? Let's see. Console log. No, alert. No. So screams no. Screams no. Shouldn't be screaming no in this next one. No, it didn't, but why? Oh, I'm not even setting the data equal to it, so that'll be probably why. So when this ran, it wasn't actually updating the data. Okay, that was a silly error. There we go. Okay, nice one. So if I just keep adding stuff now. Still says 1, which is brilliant. Get that alert out of there, because it's annoying. Go back down to the number, draw item number. Now instead of chest saying nothing, we need to get the quantity of this from the chest. So I should probably make that another function or method in here. Scene, magic chest, prototype, get quantity of item in magic chest. So we'll just grab the chest in inventory like this. Item identifier is equal to, so we'll need to pass in the item we're looking for. Create item identifier, pass in the item, and then in the inventory we will use the item identifier and then grab the quantity. So I think that should be it. Get quantity of item in magic chest. And then we'll just rip this. And instead of this, I'm assuming what this is doing is this just draws some kind of thing before the words or before the quantity, and then this is what's actually the quantity. So we'll pass in the one that we've gathered ourselves here. I'm just going to assume X, Y, width and all that is still correct. So let's see, we got nothing. Put 3 red gems in, and we've got 3 red gems. Put 1 yellow, 2 green. There we go, nice. So now we need to get them back out. So that'll be in here somewhere we want to have some kind of removal code. This dot remove item from magic chest. We'll pass an item and pass in 1 for a temporary quantity. So let's see, remove. So this is what we had. Grab the key, which yeah, we do need. We get the items from the key. And we probably want to check if it exists. Right, so this is where we get the item identifier. Pass in the item. And then we'll do an if check. We'll say if this item identifier equals undefined, if it doesn't equal undefined, then we'll do something. We'll take that quantity minus equals quantity, but I guess we also need another check here. So return 0. So what we're returning here, that were not removed from the magic chest. So we're just going to pass back the quantity because it's undefined. But if it does exist, we're going to check how many we're able to get rid of. The quantity in the magic chest is equal to that. If the quantity in magic chest if the number in the chest is lower than what we want to get rid of, then we will just minus quantity in the magic chest, and we'll return quantity minus quantity in the magic chest because that's the number left. But if we manage to make it to the bottom, we will simply remove the quantity and return 0. And then we will say const remaining equals this. Uh, Okay, so testing. Let's get rid of two of these. There are two in here. Let's click on them. And the window needs to refresh. We see it is adding them, but we can do it forever. So why is this not changing? Hmm. I wonder if there's like a force redraw or something. When we call refresh, it should make an item list, which is down here. Make item list. We'll do this again. Oh, maybe it is updating. It's just that we're not actually removing it. That was maybe the problem right there. We're saying if it's not undefined, return quantity, but really it's if it is undefined, then there's nothing to remove. So there's two here, we go boom, there's one left, and we get one back. Awesome. So the problem here is you can keep clicking when it hits zero, but at least both windows are working now. Hmm. Let's make this, if it's equal or less, if it's less than or equal to, we'll remove all the items we can, and then we should delete magic chest data, items, key, inventory, item identifier. So any of the cases where we will end up with zero, we should delete this entry. Otherwise, we just remove the quantity and continue like normal. So it should be 3 red gems, now we have 2, 1, and then gone. So let's try it if we just keep clicking. Brilliant, brilliant. Right, it's looking good. So the next glaring problem is selecting these. So let's see if it's fairly straightforward or not. So command index. So when we click on an item, first of all, we should check if an item is already in this array slot, as we may have to return an item to the player's inventory. And remove the new item from the inventory. Update the key array for the chest to include the new object, new item, I guess. Attempt to initialize a a chest inventory for the new key setup. So I think this is what we need to do. So really we want the key. No, we want the chest. We want to check the chest. Let's get really we should just have functions for chest and function for inventory. Get chest with ID, get magic chest with ID. This will be chest ID. Should just be like that, I think. Yep. Get magic chest inventory with key. So then we just return magic chest data, items, key. So we'll grab the chest. Just grab the chest ID like that. If chest.keyArray command index is not equal to null, Maybe just game party dot gain item. Let's give it a better name. Let's give it a better name. So we'll say const current slot item is going to equal chest key array command index, and then we can say current slot item does not equal null. We will gain current slot item 1, and then we will remove one of these. So game party dot lose item, and we'll lose 1. Update the key array. So maybe we can just alter it like this because it's an object. I hope this hasn't made a copy of it though. Chest key array command index is going to equal item, and we need to create a new key for this. So chest.key is equal to create key, and we're going to pass in the new key array. This dot initialize chest inventory with chest.key. Let's just see how far we got with that. So it did reduce. We need to refresh a few of the windows. So we're going to redraw item and command windows. Now I don't know if the command window has the same thing. Just a refresh. Magic chest keys. Is a horizontal command type. Which is a window command type, which is a selectable type, which means there probably is a refresh. I think it was all the way down at the bottom with this window. Redraw item. Yeah, refresh. Okay, we'll just try it. Command window, refresh. So we go and click on red gem. Wow. So the inventory is clear. We'll add a yellow gem. No, actually, we'll keep it easy. We'll put the red gem in the red. We're going to change this. Yellow gem. And there's nothing in it. I'm going to pop a yellow gem in there. Going to put it back to red. And yeah, it's working. It's actually working. Brilliant. That's really cool. So we put a red and a green in. Drop a red and a green gem in there. Let's. Oh, we can't replace it with nothing, so it would be good to add a nothing in there, or have when you press shift it gets rid of it or something. Oh yeah. So hold on. Let's check this one. Let's make it red. And it has got a red gem without me adding it here. Cool. And if I do was it yellow and green or red and green? Yeah, there we go, red and green. That's really nice. So, key name. Let's see if style. What was this called? I had a variable something to do with style. Key display style. I didn't actually make a thing for it. Uh, Default is going to be, I guess, icon only. Key display style, let's just slap it in somewhere. Key display style, so a little switch statement for key display style. Is that something like text only, icons only, and then text and icons? Name only, icon only, name and icon. Name only, icon only, name and icon. Name only, icon only, text and icon. So if it's name only, we will put this one. Yeah, we'll just say so in here we do key name equals was that what I just did? I've forgotten already. Can I add icons to command text? I hope I don't need an extra script for that, it would be quite annoying.